Problem solving for dysphagia diets in the real world. Hey folks, I'm Simply Thick John. I love to thicken beverages, show you how to make foods that comply with the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. And today I have a real world problem for us. What if you want to go out and enjoy this new Lavender Starbucks matcha? How are you going to handle it? First of all, this is a very complicated beverage from a thickening standpoint. There are 3 different types of liquids in here. You have the matcha, you have the cold foam cream on top, and you have the ice. So probably the simplest way to do this, which I'm not saying this is the best way, is that you're just going to simply separate out the layers, and you take your lid off and you just pour it, and you take out the ice. And you don't want the ice in there because it's going to melt into a thin liquid. So we have about 10 ounces of liquid in here, and I want to do this mildly thick. So to do that mildly thick, I'm going to need 2.5 doses from my pump. I'm going to have to kind of guess a little bit. That's 1, that's 2, and we'll go to 1/2. Now I can do that because when I get this thickened, what I'm going to be able to do is run a flow test according to the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. And then we'll be able to see, did I get the thickness correct? And so that's part of the beauty of having testing methods and standards like that, so that I can make something out in the field, I can do something out there, and I can test it and make sure that I did it right. So as I've been talking, this looks like it's probably close to being the right thickness, but as I said, we have a testing method, so we can check that. Testing method involves adding 10 milliliters to this syringe, or another syringe that is like it. It was actually a syringe, not the IDDSI float funnel. We fill it up to the 10 milliliter line. We let it run for 10 seconds. We will see how much is left. And that will tell us if I just need to keep mixing, or if I need to add some thickener, or to make sure I got it right. And so we go up to the 10 milliliter line. I have my timer here, and we are ready to go. So we let it run for 10 seconds. And that will tell us if we've got the right thickness. And so it's looking like it's probably going to be just fine, because we're down to 3 seconds, 2, 1, boom. And you can see I got that right at about 6 milliliters, so that is exactly what we were looking for. So if I'm out and about and I'm at the store, I have now properly thickened this. I could put the lid on and it would be fine to drink like that.